Hi, today I'll be talking about machine learning. So, machine learning is divided into three groups or types. You can say there are three types of machine learning. The very first one is supervised learning. So, what do you mean by supervised learning? Some idea? Okay. So, supervised learning is that type of machine learning where we already have the label of the data. When I say label of the data, that means we know the output of the data. Like suppose we have a data set of diabetes of people, and that will be and we will be having a column or feature called whether that person is diabetic or not, depending upon other features. So whenever our data set will be having uh, the dependent variable and the independent variable together, we will be solving that problem with machine learning type called supervised learning. Okay. The very second one is unsupervised learning. So where we will be having where we will be having uh, only the independent variables, or you can say only the features. Like okay, suppose we were doing a fraud detection and we don't know whether that person is fraud or not, so we will be having a list, the profiles of the customers. We will be having a data set where there are lots of customers, and we don't know which one is fraud or not. So if we don't have that data, we will be solving that problem by unsupervised learning. The very third one is reinforcement learning, or we can say transfer learning. So it's a type of machine learning where generally the model will learn by giving feedback or penalizing it. Okay, so it's like feedback. I'll give you an example. Like suppose some robo dog. You must have seen a trained robo dog. If not, go to YouTube channel, type robo dogs. You'll get lots of videos over there. So how robo dog is basically a reinforcement learning device. So it works on reinforcement learning, and how it works: for each every step the dog is taking, if that step is correct, the algorithm is saying okay, it's correct or success, then it will give a score to it, that okay, positive score, this is correct. If it's giving something wrong, like the dog while walking, dog will fall off, or like his legs are like uh, kissing each other, in that case, uh, in that case so it will give a negative score to the dog. So basically reinforcement learning, we gives feedbacks. Okay. Yeah. So these are the three types of machine learning, and the examples of supervised learning are regression, logistic regression, etc. The examples of unsupervised learning is clustering, uh, and the example of reinforcement learning is I'll tell you later. That is right now not very trending. Okay. So yeah, so thank you for today. We will catch you some other day with some other topics. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.